Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, friends, buttons are small, simple items, but they can be used in so many creative ways. Most of us have old buttons at home. Instead of throwing them away, most of you have old buttons at home. Instead of throwing them away, we can turn them into beautiful craft. Button crafts are easy, colorful, and very creative. You can use button for home decoration, jewelry making, kits, art project, gifts, items, and dies or buttons come in different colors, shapes, and friends. Viewers, that's make them perfect for creative design. You can arrange buttons with creative pattern, shapes, and pictures. Some people make flower design using buttons. Some creative heart shapes, upset art, and weavers. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates friends. So Allah Hafiz, viewers, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.